You laugh, you sneeze. Let me tell you guys how it's going to work. So this little thing, it's a powder. Wait, let me show you. Can it focus on it? I guess the fuck not. Okay, I'll just post a image of it. So what this little thing, this powder, I swear to God it's not cocaine. I wanted to make a video, like a special video for 4,000 subs. Actually, I wanted to make a video for 1,000 subs, but then I started recording something and then voila, I had 2,000 subs. Then voila, I had 3. Then voila, I had fucking 4,000 subs. But now it's gone down. I think I went viral because of one video, and now the views per month. So yeah. You laugh, you sneeze. There's nothing more to explain. And personally, the videos, the memes that gets me the most cracking is the perfectly cut screens. Okay, let's go. I've seen this one. I'm not going to laugh.
Oh no, it's wet.
I've seen this one. I've seen this one. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Nope, didn't laugh. Did not. That doesn't count. It was just an exhale. It was just a power exhale, okay? The dogs get me, man. The dog scream get me. Oh fuck, okay, here we go. I should probably show it to the camera. Or I shouldn't. I think I'm going. This video is most likely going to be taken down, but I don't give a rat's ass.
Damn, boy!
Oh fuck. मरने वाला हूँ मैं. Oh god, here it comes. Where's my fucking handkerchief? Oh god, my ribs hurt. I even lost the count. Oh fuck, this video is going to be fixed.
2,000 years later.
What the fuck? Fuck, I lost again, man. My lungs are going to regret this challenge later. This is the face of a guy who knows he's fucked up. Oh, my ribs hurt. No more. I'm going to watch this whole fucking video and I'm not going to sneeze one more time. I'm not going to laugh one more time. Me and my dad running late to the game.
I forgot my cleats.
No! Ganpati Deva. God, oh fucking god, there's mucus all over my fucking table. What the fuck?
It's fine.
What is that?
But just. Oh, I know what's going to happen. Yoink! That doesn't count. Fuck off.
Oh! C'est fragile. Trou de cul, va.
It's funny because that's what Luigi would say. Oh god, my fucking humor is broken.
So yesterday I posted this picture of myself here on Twitter, and honestly I thought I looked okay, right? My head shape's a little weird, hair cut a little bit too much.
Yeah, same bro, same. My head's a little weird.
But at the end of the day, I think I look alright. I think I look handsome, right?
Yeah?
Apparently not!
What?
Do you see what they're doing to me? They're playing tic-tac-toe on my fucking forehead! Do you see this shit? There are multiple games going on of people doing this! This is so fucked up! Look at this! There's so many! What?
2,000 years later.
Did not laugh.
Well, go ahead. Go on.
Nope.
Boy, I am sure.
Oh,
What the hell is that? Wait a minute. What is this?
Get the chum bucket! This is personal! ¡Quieto, puto! ¡No me estés picoteando!
that was unexpected.
Oh my god. Woo! Hey, Pickle! Pickle!
What's up, nigga?
How did I laugh at that? I survived so damn long and I lost it at that fucking clip. Okay, I'll just watch it once again.
Hey, Pickle! Pickle!
What's up, nigga?
Fuck. Okay. I guess this is it. This is the death of me. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope that you like, sub, share, whatever the fuck you want to do. I put a lot of efforts into this video, into this particular video, so I would really appreciate it if you would share the video with. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to watch me sneeze, right? Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I said it. Fuck.
Don't let you to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can.